Good morning, class. So in this video we are going to discuss about the topic like red data book, what is migration, what is recycling of paper and reforestation. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss these 4 points. Okay, so the first point is that what is a red data book. Okay, so is that book which is red in color? No, actually no. Okay, red data book is that book which keeps the record of endangered species. Okay, so what is a red data book? Red data book is the book which is maintained internationally by an organization. Okay, and it actually maintains the record of endangered species. Okay, endangered plant and animal both. ठीक है, species में it include plant and animal. Now what is endangered? So as I told you earlier, that endangered, it means that those species whose number are reducing every day, ठीक है, whose numbers are reduced, who their their population is very less, and it might be possible that if the same thing, safe condition will be occur in the future, they will be in the step of extinctions. Fine. So the red data book is that book which keeping the record of the name of these endangered species of plant and animal. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Sometimes the question asks that what kind of record the red data book is collecting. So it is the record of endangered species. ठीक है, हो सकता है in the option it will be given to you that it will be a endangered, it will be a extinct, it will be a endemic. So you should know that red data book is the collection of the data of endangered plant and animals. Okay, good. The second thing is that migration. Okay, so this is a very common word which you always which we all listen in everyday's life. Also you always see na, because of the livelihood, the people of the village are migrated towards the cities. ठीक है, so migration, it means they are leaving their native place and they are going in another place in search of food, in search of shelter, in search of livelihoods. ठीक है, so the same thing is that migration it means when people are moving from one place to another place. ठीक है, here in the case of bird, it is there, you can listen so many times that these birds are migratory birds. ठीक है, so what these are migratory birds? Actually these migratory birds are flying from one place to another in search of better climate. ठीक है, हो सकता है might be they belongs to that climate which is in winters that climate becomes very extremely cold, so they will not able to survive there. So what they are doing in the winters, they are flying to the areas where they feel warm. ठीक है, the same thing happened with the another kind of species. ठीक है, so it means that for the better conditions, for the better climatic conditions, sometimes in the search of food, sometimes for giving better climatic, better nature to their eggs, they are flying from one place to the another place in search of getting something betterment. Fine, so that is called migration or a migratory birds. Okay, so if the migration is doing by the bird, that is called these birds are called migratory birds. This is a very common topic which we all always used. Fine. The next is that recycling of paper. Okay, now why this topic is here? Recycling of paper is very important because because to get the paper we all are doing, we all are cutting a lot of trees. Okay, because that we are getting the paper from the trees only. ठीक है, so for getting the paper, what we are doing, we are just cutting the tree, we are promoting the deforestation, which is not good for the future, it. ठीक है, so if we will do the recycling of paper, we can use the paper again and again. So that is a recycling, means which we give up old paper and it was recycled, it forms new. Okay, so that is called recycling. And sometimes we can save the papers by e-papers also. Okay, as you know that nowadays everything will be most of the things are we are using as e-papers. Okay, so we can do it like that. Recycling of paper, it means ki when we are giving the old papers and it was be recycled and reused again, so that is called recycling. Fine, so as you know that already in the environment we discussed about the 4 RS system. This is also the one R of that. Clear? The next topic is that which is reforestation. If yeah, deforestation, so you always listen. Now what is this reforestation? Reforestation, as you know that when we are planting more and more trees, that is called reforestation. ठीक है, ऐसे कहा जाता है ना कि एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्रों के समान है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट द एज ऑफ द ट्री इज लाइक बहुत लंबी लाइफ होती है, एंड इट विल गिव यू सो मैनी थिंग, इवन द रूट, लीव, स्टेम, एवरीथिंग ऑफ द ट्री विल बी इम्पॉर्टेंट, विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. अगर वो कुछ नहीं दे सकता है तो छाया आपको छाँव तब भी देगा, है ना. तो दैट मीन्स द ट्री इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइन. सो रिफॉरेस्टेशन इज दैट कि पहली बात तो आपको ट्री काटना ही नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज देर आर सो मैनी लॉज आर देयर, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा अर्जेंट नहीं हो. द सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इफ वी आर कटिंग वन ट्री, एटलीस्ट वी नीड टू ग्रो 10 trees on that place. ठीक है. So this is called reforestation. Reforestation, it means we have to grow, we have to plant more and more trees, new trees, ठीक है, in the destroyed areas. So that is called reforestation. Fine. So hope this chapter is very clear to you, and if you have any doubt you can share your doubts to me in live class. Fine. So we will discuss your doubts on that, and what will be your work today. So I will send you the question and answer also, so you have to do the question and answer of this chapter. Then in the next time we will do the extra question and answer related to this chapter. Fine. So hope this topics are clear to you.